Quality and protocol management. Protocols are extremely important in the Recovery Suites model. Duplicating the model that we've built here at Surgical Recovery Suites, LLC, is what's going to provide the support for you in your local community. Whether it be a patient care flow, whether it be when there's a problem, these protocols instituted in your community allow you to leverage the results of our 2,500 plus patients over 10 years. Once you've implemented those protocols, it's very important to maintain a compliance and quality management program. Quality management is what's going to lead to better reimbursement in the future, and more importantly, better outcomes for your patients by measuring patient experiences, net promoter scores, which means the number of people that would recommend you to a friend, and looking at complications will help you just be better every time a patient comes to your center. So let us build a program with you that ensures quality, ensures compliance, develops protocols that are reproducible, leveraging our 2,500 patients, and make sure you have a great Recovery Suites experience.